How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. I got a jam-packed one for you today. I have missed a couple days of making videos due to complications with the tooth, so I'm going to try to push this one out as quickly as I can just to give you guys the content that I've been stacking up over the few days that I've been down. Hopefully you guys can understand what I'm saying, even though, you know, I'm not speaking properly. But anyways, if you in this video, I'm going to have like price movements, stock news, a bunch of crypto, stock gains, all sorts of different stuff, you know, over the past few days and today. So we'll jump right into it. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell. I do have 12 different brokerages that I display on this channel, and I do provide all 12 brokerages with 100% transparency of all my buys, my sells, my gains, my losses, my deposits, and my withdrawals. I also have a link in the below. If you want some free stocks, you can get 4 free stocks from Webull, valued up to $3,700. You get a free stock from moomoo and Robinhood, and you get $30 from M1 Finance. Now, what I do on this House Money Investing channel is deploy capital into the market for about 60 to 90 days. I deploy about anywhere from 10 to 30 grand. Then I pull out my capital, leaving only the gains in the market. So every stock that I own will be riding on house money for the long term, which is risk-free investment, and ultimately, you know, a way to gain free stocks. Started this in June. I accumulated over $12,500 in free stocks. At the moment, my house money portfolio is valued around $41,000, and it comprises of about 1,200, 1,300 stocks. So let's get right into it. As anybody or everybody should know, GameStop, ticker GME, was up 39.99%. Wall Street bets and Reddit traders are running up, you know, GameStop, BB, Dogecoin, all sorts of stuff. Then we got Workhorse was up 30.19%. Ticker BZUN is up 27.23%. Blink was up 25.87%. Overstock was up 25.45%. Now, all these price movements that I show are in relation to stocks that I own. So I'm very happy about these spikes. Blink hit its 52-week high. Verizon has an earnings call, which started already. It's already gone. If you didn't listen to any of these earning calls and you own these shares, please go back and listen. There's useful information in there for you. Or if you're thinking about getting into a stock or even selling it, I would listen to those earnings calls. We got Switchback Energy was up 10.1%. This here is the Webull Portfolio, valued at $2,241.24. It is up $438.39, up a total percent gain of 24.32%. Then we have the stash account. It is up $786.90, total percent gain of 12.41%. Then we got Tesla. This is in the Cash App. This is a $14 investment in Tesla, now worth $139.26. So this $14 has gained over $125. Next we have Blink. This is out of the Ameritrade account. One share of Blink at $61.24. Or I'm sorry, that's market value. So I'm up $24.61. Total percent gain of 67.19%. So Blink is doing very well. Then we got ticker SSYS. This is in the Fidelity account. I got 1.68 shares valued at $69.99. It is up $23.99. Total percent gain of 52.16%. Then we got ticker ANTM. We got earnings coming up. We got AMD with a live earnings call. Texas Instruments got an earnings call. CNI got earnings announcement. NDAC, which is a NASDAQ, has earnings coming up. We got CNI with earnings. Boeing, ticker BX, both have earnings coming up. We got Microsoft up 5.1%, AMD up 5.1%. We got Texas Instrument announced quarterly earnings of $1.80 per share. Texas Instrument hit a 52-week high. BGS Foods is up 10%. GD has earnings. Ticker ANTM has earnings. AT&T has earnings coming up. We got ticker COF up 5.1%. Walgreens is up 5%. COF announced quarterly earnings of $5.35 per share. We got ticker EZGO Technologies opened up at 10.59 and hit a high of 19.44 before closing Tuesday at 18.11. We got Johnson & Johnson with an earnings call. This is the retirement portfolio in my stash account. This is a $255 investment. It's gained $151.76. It is up 59.51%. This is the Cash App portfolio. Excuse me. Valued at $2,723.40. It is up $713.95. Total percent gain of 15.14%. Did we get? Sorry, guys. Need some water. Excuse me. Then we got ticker SSYS again. It is now valued at $71.60. Now up 25.60, up 55.65%. Then we went ahead and purchased $3.34 of ticker ICHR in the stash account. That was due to me selling my fractional share in Robinhood. This was a $13 investment. I profited $3.34. Robinhood wouldn't let me keep those gains in the app, so I went ahead and sold the whole position and put those gains in the stash into that ticker. Then we got ticker FLRN. I sold my fractional share here. The gains here were big enough that it let me keep them in Robinhood. So I did make a nice chunk off this play as well. Then we went ahead and purchased $3.25 of the Revolve Group, ticker RVLV, in the Cash App. That came from me selling my position out of Robinhood. This was an initial investment of $15. So I did profit $3.25. The gains weren't large enough, so I went ahead and put them in the Cash App. Then we sold out a ticker BWX. On this play, I actually lost 20 cents. And going back to this play, FLRN, this play I actually only made 3 cents off of. I did not make a gain. I do apologize about that indiscretion, but I wanted to correct that for you guys. So back to BWX, we lost 20 cents on this play. Then we went ahead and bought $1 worth of HTA. That was due to me selling HTA at the Robinhood. This was a $17 investment. As you can see, I profited $1. Went ahead and purchased that in the stash app. Then we sold Gush, ticker GUSH. I didn't profit or loss on this play. Or if I did profit, it actually didn't show what my profit was. Oh, okay, I just sold $18 worth of Gush. So I did profit on this play and left those gains in the Robinhood. Then we got NIU. I made a profit on as well. Sold the $19 of my capital that I put in and left the gains in NIU. Then we got ticker HMC. This one here, I lost about 57 cents on this play. I sold my position for $19.43. Then we got HIW. I sold my position. This play I only made 53 cents. I did not carry that gain over into another brokerage. Then we got Gun R. This one I actually made a profit of $2.62, which I left in the Robinhood Portfolio. Then we made a purchase of ticker LASR for $1.63. That was due to me selling ticker LASR or laser out of my Robinhood for $25.63. So this was an initial investment of $24. So I did profit $163, which I purchased that in Stash. Then we made one purchase of ticker SPYD in the public account. That was due to me selling SPYD out of my Robinhood account. This was a $25 investment. My profit was 88 cents. I rounded that up to $1 and purchased it in public, because in public you can't purchase nothing but even dollar amounts. Then I went ahead and withdrew $423.64 out of the public account, and I withdrew $79.16 out of the Robinhood account. Then we got some more news here. Starbucks got an annual meeting, so you need to vote if you're a shareholder. Indac quarterly earnings are $1.60 per share. Ticker VFC quarterly earnings of 93 cents per share. Ticker ANTM quarterly earnings of $2.54 per share. Then we got ticker BX, who had the calling, who had the earnings call. Virgin Galactic hit its 52-week high at 44.62. GD had its earnings call. Ticker ANTM had their earnings call. Workhorse was up 13%. Ticker ANTM earning call. BX announced quarterly earnings of $1.13 per share. Then we got ARK updates. They had Twitter, Trim, Pinterest, and Roku. You can check those trades out for a full list. Then we got public.com. Just let me know Starbucks has an annual meeting. JetBlue has a Q4 earnings call coming up. Tractor Supply has a Q4 earnings call. MasterCard as well, and American Airlines. Then we have Nikola is up 5.3%. We got Spotify with earnings coming up. Then we have the Stash IRA account once again. It is now up $155.72. Total percent gain of 61.7%. Then we got SSYS, more gains. It is now up $26.71, up a total percent of 58.7%. Then we got Boeing's earning call. We got Whirlpool, CP, both with earning calls, along with Spotify. We got Lemonade up 7.6%. Virgin Galactic up 14.4%. We got AMC, which is pumped up 223.23%. I'm actually in AMC at $3.50 in my Webull portfolio. Then we got GameStop up 123.70%. BBBY up 27.66%. We got Fizz up 22.65%. I'm up about $40 in my position on Fizz in my Robinhood account, so it's doing very well. Then we got ticker IRBT up 17.52%. We got GD up 4%. JKS up 3.2%. Ticker SYK has got an earning call coming up. Yelp is up 6.2%. We got Lemonade up 10.3%. We got Dropbox up 5.1%. We got Aurora Cannabis up 4.6%. Merdone is up 4.9%. FSR is up 6.4%. SSYS is up 5.3%. Nickel is up 10.2%. Gush is up 5%. Plantineer is up 11%. Yelp is up 10.1%. We got CCI and Levi with earnings calls. Chewy's up 10%. Then we got Now, Duke Energy, and Indac with earnings calls. We got Qualcomm with the annual voting. We got Walgreens stock spikes after tapping Starbucks executive. LVS earnings call. We got Southwest Airlines Earnings calls. We got PagerDuty up 5.14%. Of course, earning calls for AT&T. We got Bitcoin held by public companies has surged 400% in 12 months to $3.6 billion. I got 3 stocks to buy with dividends yielding more than 5%. Not going to go into detail, just going to give you the stock picks. You guys please do your own due diligence. Don't just buy these stocks because I'm displaying them. We got Enbridge, ticker ENB. We got Enterprise Products, ticker EPD. We got Kinder Morgan's, ticker KMI. These are going to be 3 stocks to buy with dividends yielding more than 5%. Then we got some Dogecoin here. As you can see, I have 32,752 coins. My average cost is 0.004318. Dogecoins, I'm not sure exactly right now, probably around 3 or 4 cents. It will reach 7 cents at one point. So my total account value here is $487.84. It is 8.01% of the portfolio. My daily gain was $78.51. It was up 19.18%. Total gain is $346.42, up 244.96%. As you can see, I just recently bought some more Dogecoin on January 24th before the big spike. So it was just good timing there. Purchased $17.99. Well, really $19 worth of Dogecoin is what I purchased on the 24th of January. Then we got some more run-ups by Dogecoin. As you can see here, this is an initial investment of about $120-$130. Now it's valued at $804. It is 12% of my portfolio. The daily gain was $394, up 96%. Total return is $662, up 468.68%. Then in the Robinhood Portfolio, it's valued at $6,692.72 over the past year, or 6 months, or 7 months actually. It is up $2,175.17. Total percent gain of 48.16%. I do have a buying power of $231.65. Then we got NOK with earnings notification. We got Tesla missed on earnings. Gross merges strong 19.2%. We got Apple and Tesla both with earning calls. We got Comcast, Southwest Airlines, LVS, Whirlpool, all with earning. LVS announced quarterly earnings of negative 37 cents per share. Whirlpool announced earnings of $6.64 per share. Then we got Altria, MasterCard with earnings. We got CCI quarterly earnings of $2.33. CP quarterly earnings of $3.90. We got Duke Energy with quarterly earnings of 41 cents. SYK with quarterly earnings of $2.81 per share. We got ticker SYK and NOC with earnings coming up. We got Now with $1.17 earnings. CP, LVS earnings coming up. We got Levi with 20 cents per share earnings. We got ticker CACI with earnings of $4.18 per share. Levi hit its 52-week high at $24.58. We got Skyworks with earnings and T-Rowe with earnings coming up. Sherwin-Williams, B-Pop, and Merrick all with earnings coming up. We got Skyworks with earnings of $3.36 per share. We got the Robinhood Portfolio once again, now valued at $6,852. It is up over $2,300, up over 51%. Then we got more Dogecoin gains. It's now valued at $932. It is now up $791, up 559%. Then we got SSYS, more gains, up now over $27, up over 60%. Then we went ahead and sold ticker EMLC of $25.42. Then we sold ticker BAB for $27.07. We sold SPY-V for $27.60. We sold Pan American Silver for $25.86. We sold GDX for $27.45. We sold ticker JPSE for $31, and these are all out of the Robinhood Portfolio. These first four I did lose on. This one I lost 58 cents. I actually gained on this one about 8 cents. On this one I lost 40 cents. On this one I lost about $2.14. On this one here I lost $1.55. On this one I actually had some pretty nice gains. Left those gains in the Robinhood account. Then we sold one share of Virgin Galactic at a strike price of $43.66. These were the Robinhood account, by the way, and this is out of the Ameritrade account. My profit off this trade was $19.45. Went ahead and added that to the Robinhood Portfolio. Then we purchased ticker PSTH, Parachute Square Holdings. This is $2.22. This was a profit I made from selling my one share out of Ameritrade at $27.22. Then we made a purchase of PLTR, $11 worth in the public account. That was due from me selling PLTR in my Ameritrade account. So my profits were $11. The strike price was $36.11. Then we purchased ticker AMWL for $8.93. That was due to me selling ticker AMWL at a strike price of $35.48 out of the Ameritrade. So my profit on that trade was $8.93. Then we sold one share of AT&T, one share of Lee Auto. I took a loss on both of these, not sure exactly how much. Then we purchased ticker RVLV for $6.32. That was the profit I made off of selling my one share for $37.60 out of the Ameritrade account. Then I went ahead and withdrew $194.73 out of the Robinhood. Then we got some more stock news. E-Trade restricts purchases of GameStop and AMC. Wow. Then we got Dogecoin with some more gains. Now it's valued at, my Dogecoin is valued at $1,404. I am up $1,262, up 892% on my Dogecoin. The Robinhood Portfolio got some more gains. It's now up $2,500. It is up over 59%, valued up over $6,900. Then we got Chevron with earnings coming up. We got Caterpillar, ticker ERIC, LLY, SAP, all with earnings. We got Verizon with the $1.42 earnings per share. We got more gains in the Robinhood account. It is now valued up over $8,100. It is now up over $3,800, up over 88%. More Dogecoin gains. Dogecoin is now valued in my portfolio up over $2,400. I'm up over $2,200. Total percent gain up over 1,600%. So Dogecoin is going bananas. I'm not selling, guys. I'm holding. I'm not in Dogecoin to make a couple grand. I'm in Dogecoin to make a lot more than that. I'm a long-term holder. I've been buying for the long term. I'm a steady add to my position and keep on holding. Then we got Tesla, of course. We got BNB is up 5.26%. Then I went ahead and sold out of the Ameritrade account, ticker QQJ for $31.28. Took a loss on that play. Then we purchased $1 of SPY-D in the Robinhood. That was profits from me selling my share of SPY-D out of the Ameritrade account for $33.55. Then we sold a share of SPY-V. I took a loss, sold a share of MP Materials for $28.80. Took a loss. Then we purchased $1 of ticker CRSR, Concierge Gaming, for $1 in the public account. That was profits from me selling one share at $37.72 out of the Ameritrade account. Then I went ahead and sold 5 sales in the M1 Finance portfolio, valued at $278. I sold $98.40 worth of CGC Canopy Growth. Sold $47.76 of PPL. Sold $44.71 of SPY 8 of SPHY. Sold $44.44 of ticker BBEU. Sold $42.70 of ticker BBN. So those are the 5 sales I sold out of the Robinhood account. Then I went ahead and invested $10 more into PTLR in the public account. That was due to me selling my 1 share out of the moomoo account for $35.84. My profits were $10. Then I sold out of the moomoo account. Can't see here. Oh, ticker GDXU. Took a loss on this play. Then I sold ticker BNDC out of the moomoo for $27.74. Took a loss on that play as well. Then we purchased $1 of Bank of America in the Robinhood account. Those were the profits I got from selling Bank of America out of my moomoo account. Sold 1 share for $29.74. Then we purchased $7.32 worth of BGS Foods in the Stash app account. That was profits of me selling my share out of moomoo account. Then we purchased $1.28 worth of ticker EMB, which is a stock I actually recommended for the dividend yield earlier in the video. Sold that, was able to get some fractional shares for the house money. We sold that out of moomoo for $33.62. Then we sold Store Capital, took a loss in that play. Sold MP Materials, took a loss. We sold ticker GDX for $34.74, took a loss on that. Then we withdrew $163.66 out of the Robinhood account. Withdrew $250.28 out of the public account. Then lastly, we withdrew $333.19 out of the moomoo account. I'm gonna go over my Robinhood Portfolio real quickly with you guys. As you can see, today it's down $1,100. Past weeks up $1,100. Past months up $1,600. Past 3 months up $2,600. Past year it's up $2,800. 67%. So you can see some of my top holdings. We got Clean Spark here. Up 31 bucks. Oh, I'm trying to move that. I guess I can. We got Fizz up $24. Blink. We got Neo, Home, CrowdStrike, WSM. All these are up about 20 bucks. Then we got Tesla, TNA, SSYS, Plug Power, iRobot, Ford, THO, KMX. We got Twist, Lemonade, HIBL, all up over $10. Then we got TQQ, Upwork, COF, American Express, CRISPR, RG, Allstate, Papa John's, Fastly, JP Morgan Chase, Pinterest, Sun W. We got Abby, Hyliion, Virgin Galactic, Chewy, Team. We got GP. We got RK, RW, AMD. We got a bunch of shares in this portfolio. I'm just going to kind of scroll through these, and these are total gains, as you see there on the right, and you can see the amount of shares I hold there under the tickers. So as you can see, I'm very, very diversified, which lower my risk, and you know, it's tough keeping up with a lot of these companies, but a lot of them I'm into the long term. And if some crazy new comes out, I'm going to hear about it. And like I said, most of these are on house money. So once they're on house money, I really don't worry about them. I just let them sit there, and you know, I keep swing trading every 2 to 3 months to add to the positions. And we'll kind of zoom through these, as it is so many tickers that I have, as you can see, guys. And we'll go to the cryptos, and you can see, you know, Dogecoin's only up $1,300 now. We're up $200 on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're up $100-something on Litecoin. We're up $16 on Ethereum Classic and Bitcoin Cash. We're down $6 on BSV. And I still have 487 stocks on my watch list that I'm going to be adding after I'm done withdrawing all of my principal out this month. So that'll be the Robinhood Portfolio overview as well. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and bearing with me and having patience. If you like the video, hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow my journey. I will get back to the usual content, after I go to the dentist and get some medication and stuff like that, and starting to feel a little bit better. But I did want to give you guys the content that I have stacked up over the past couple of days. And I appreciate you for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.